the heavy metaphysics department, you got to understand a page would be quark matter. It'd be a quark star. It's neutrons are the most extreme things right before a black hole, but some of the rules of the universe stop working around it, right? Not all of them, not by any means. There's still chemoluminosity, the Mixing Bowl, all the stars and stuff around it, and the accretion disk, or orbitals, the solar system that it may represent, which is all a piece of it. That you still have to count the planets as if it's the mass, because the only way this got the neutron star was to go supernova and have whatever pi radial here over time, well, out of time, references why the laws of the universe stop working that way. Once you start identifying that's what this system may reference, well then, what the laws of the universe are going to say may stop working. And they can also have a quark effect. Their gravity waves are what they are. You were protobative theory one way or the other. It's the up or down quark. We've been getting emissions in waves, and then they kind of trickled out and it dried out. Or you got a ping because of a supernova, and who knows what that does on that level of scale of things. So again, sometimes the rules of the universe stop working, or you become in focus of them, what's up or down. But again, that can have a real quirky nature, that quark matter, this up, down, spin charm, top, bottom, up, down, spin charm, strange, top and bottom is the back end of it, or down quarks. I forget what it is. There's 6 or 8 of them. You're still got 2 or 3 different seeds or officers or situations for Alice and Bob as the new Superman or Kyle Rayner stuff. Those are, in itself, that's what's happening in that neutron star. So that's why when you say chemically, it's either up or down, and especially when you get out to Krypton, it's, maybe Superman out here, how many years since Marvel or DC started it, took on Krypton. You're not some farm boy anymore about what it does, start to get more military shifted inside of it, about man-made elements. Because after after uranium, the magic number series there, just guidelines to help you stay closer here so some scientist doesn't wreck your codpiece, because they're neutron stars or a dark matter, black hole. They're a singularity on the sheets, so anything that references mass defect is a micro black hole. In the square law, you're asking the size of the bill, or what's just pulling, bleeding off energy about the spring distance and its length. What are the common operations of intake? What's going to argue that Sixth Amendment or habeas corpus issue? And again, sometimes the rules of the universe stop working. So it gives you an insight of what may have been there in terms of the early formation of the universe. It's a joke about there be dragons looking back through the old doctrines of somebody else's, or just jumping in the stone mill wherever. Picking rock, cutting rock, thermal and rock, cutting rock, whatever it is.